14 years we've been in business. Predominantly used DAF lorries. They're best in class, I think. DAF have been absolutely fantastic and I would recommend it to anyone.
We've always run DAF from when we originated as just a metal and waste recycling company. The DAF mark is a very good mark. We have a very good relationship with local dealers.
I'm very familiar with the DAF product. I've been using it throughout my career, both as a driver and as a transport manager, and now as head of transport.
The second truck I bought was a DAF 95. They were brilliant trucks, never let me down.
We run an all DAF fleet, originally Leyland, and then Leyland DAF, and now DAF for the last 30 years.